Hello, I'm John Din from IPInfusion. On-demand content, bandwidth-hungry mobile apps, high-definition video streaming, and new cloud-based IT applications are driving the exponential growth of data transmission. It is estimated that data transmission is growing at 25 to 50% year over year. Combined with the 5G deployment, this is creating major challenges for network operators whose traditional 10 gigabit per second optical transport systems are unable to keep up with this massive need for bandwidth and unpredictable traffic patterns. Wavelength division multiplexing is proving to be complex and technically challenging. Most legacy networks are built out with proprietary purpose-built hardware. That makes it too expensive and complex to maintain. So, what is the answer for operators who are looking for web-scale networking solutions, which they can design from the ground up in order to provide the high-capacity metro, regional, and long-haul interconnect that they need? It is the Cassini solution from Telecom Infra Project, or TIP for short. It is the industry highest capacity and first modular open packet transponder for data center interconnect and service provider backhaul use cases. The Cassini solution provides a much higher spectral efficiency and simpler transmission infrastructure. It integrates the packet switching and optical transport layers into one platform, allowing you to drive down CapEx and OpEx. The solution also allows operators to implement a pay-as-you-grow model, where one or more transponders can be added to an existing optical network seamlessly without service disruption. In fact, that's just what Mundo Pacifico is doing. This telecommunications provider in Chile has created the first disaggregated optical network in Latin America to interconnect cities with strengths of 200 or 400 gigabits per second to cover large distances with no need of external optical amplification in most cases. I invite you to talk to us to see how optical packet transport solutions allow you to transform your networks, increase your network performance, agility. At the same time, you can lower your TCO with open, disaggregated optical networks. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sanjay Kumar from IPInfusion. Half of the world's population still isn't connected to the internet. And for those who are connected, their connectivity is often not sufficient enough. This limits their access to many consumer and commercial benefits that the internet provides. The lack of connectivity also impacts global GDP growth. That's where the Telecom Infra Project comes in. The Telecom Infra Project, or TIP for short, is working with hundreds of global companies to develop, test, and deploy open, disaggregated, and standards-based solutions. Their goal is to deliver the high-quality connectivity that the world needs today and in the future. IPInfusion is a proud and strong contributor to TIP. We are working with TIP and their global partners on multiple projects, including DCSG, Cassini, Phoenix, and OpenSoft Hall. We are working with customers on TIP-supported projects. Asia Pacific Telecom, a leader in innovative telecom services in Taiwan, selected IPInfusion to deliver a comprehensive disaggregated solution for their 5G mobile network based on TIP's DCSG standard. Plus, Mundo Pacifico, a leading telecom provider in Chile, created the first disaggregated optical network in Latin America based on TIP's Cassini architecture to interconnect cities with no need for external optical amplification in most cases. In addition, VTS, who is based in Burkina Faso, selected IPInfusion for the first commercial deployment of a Cassini solution in Africa. We are committed to developing TIP's Phoenix project, a 400 gigabit optical disaggregated transport solution that delivers open network switch and coherent optical modules with a data center operations model for cost-effective web-scale data centers and mobile backhaul transport applications. We were also selected to be a NOS provider of TIP's Open Soft Haul solution to develop a disaggregated solution in one box that can unify and improve router and microwave radio functionality, reducing power consumption, space requirements, and cost. We are very committed to several TIP projects, and I invite you to talk to us to see how our TIP solutions can help you transform your network to meet the growing demands of 5G, cross-haul, and web-scale data center networks. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Matsushi Ogata, President and CEO of IPInfusion. With the explosive growth in digital technologies, the demands on the network have grown exponentially, and network operators are challenged every day with the need to deliver massive scale and new services, all at lower costs. Traditional ways of building and operating the network are no longer sufficient, and a new approach is needed to meet the challenges. At IPInfusion, we are breaking the bottleneck by accelerating network disaggregation. Our innovative solutions enable operators to build flexible, high-capacity infrastructure that allows them to introduce new services with agility while reducing total cost of ownership. We deliver open standards-based solutions that span from the edge of the network through the transport layer to multi-cloud environments. With 20 years of expertise in network operating systems, we are a proven leader in delivering validated carrier-grade solutions with hundreds of customers and thousands of deployments. Our advanced support services allow you to make the transition with a high degree of confidence and reassurance. Our network OS can be used on white box platforms across multiple use cases like UCPE, data centers, disaggregate cell site router and gateways for 5G deployments, provider edge, and optical and packet transport applications. IPInfusion has a full range of network OS options to address these use cases. Oknos is homegrown and is the industry's first full-featured network OS for white box systems, with a rich control plane that enables operators to make the transition to a disaggregate network. We also offer commercial support for Danos Viata Edition, and AT&T selected IPInfusion as a strategic partner for this hardened version of open source Danos that runs in AT&T's production network. We have now also extended our portfolio to include support of the commercial sonic distribution for use in operators' data centers. IPInfusion has been an active member of the TIP community, contributing to innovations within the Open Optical Transport Group on multiple projects such as DCSG, Cassini, Phoenix, and others. Our solutions are fully compliant with TIP specifications. We are partnering with the TIP ecosystem to solve real-life customer problems, such as delivering a DCSG solution to Asia Pacific Telecom in Taiwan for their 5G network rollout. We are also working with Mundo Pacifico in Latin America and with VTS in Africa for the deployment of Cassini optical transport solutions. Our customers include leading network operators across the globe. We partner closely with leading hardware and with technology providers to build an ecosystem of partners and solutions to advance network disaggregation. I invite you to talk to us to see how our innovative solutions allow you to transition to next generation networks with increased scale, flexibility, and agility to meet the new challenges. Thank you.